In this video, I'll show you how to add an embedded sign-up form to a website with Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to your embedded form. Now, in order for you to go to your embedded form, head over to the left-hand side on the navigation menu, and at the bottom, click on the fifth option, which is Forms. Now, once you are on the Forms section, if you scroll down, if you have a pop-up form, you can also add that. But on the left-hand side of Forms, click on Other Forms to find your embedded forms. And here, you will see that a form is embedded is because below the title, it will state that it is embedded. Now, on the right-hand side of that embedded form, head over to the right-hand side and click on View. That will automatically take you to the builder of the sign-up form or the embedded form. And at the top in the right corner, click on the green button to continue. That will take you to the embedded form code. So at the top, click on Copy Code. You can also do the same thing by highlighting the start until the end of the embedded code. Or once you select it, you can just simply press Ctrl A to select all of it and press on Ctrl C to copy. Now, if we go to our website, mine will be the Wix editor. Now, if we head over back to our website, this will be Wix editor for me. In here, you can simply add an embed block. So to do that, head over to the left-hand side, click on the plus sign to add elements. From the element section, hover your mouse until you see embed code, and on the right-hand side, click on embed HTML. Now that will add an embed block. So what we need to do is simply click on the HTML. It will automatically pop up add your code. From here, click on the tab. This will also be the same, or it will have the same structure whenever you are using a different website. So in here, I will just simply press Ctrl V to paste the code. It will automatically add my embedded form, as you can see in here. So all we need to do is simply head over to the frame, hold and drag in order for us to expand our embedded form. And as you can see, we now have an embedded form on our website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.